Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we've got another lovely shave for you today, tonight, this evening, this morning, whatever it is for you. That's what time of the day it is. We're going to fix my towel. Sorry, it was bugging me seeing that it wasn't at least straight. Normally I don't even have it set up like that. Alright guys, great shave, great shave. Gear I haven't used in a while. I haven't used Maddie soap in a while, and honestly, I enjoy some Maddie soap. Using this 3D printed bowl, UPS colors from Tony Dillette. I don't know what went on. He got the design, whatever it is. I don't think he's doing them anymore. We have got the Frank Stromberg design, Maddie Lindholm brush. Omega Boar knot is in here. Lathered up some Ecto cooler, which is pretty much Maddie's Cool Orange, just with a different label. Idea of mine from nostalgia, you know, when you were a kid, if y'all don't remember High C Ecto Cooler, I think it's under a different name now, but it still technically exists, I believe. And we're going to follow it up with some Maol Tangerine, because I want some tangerine orange scent to follow up the Ecto Cooler, and I didn't keep a Cool Orange balm, or an orange balm, just because balm's not my thing, but I kept the toxic waste in the DK Arctic Freeze. Number one reason? Toxic waste is pretty cool because Maddie always calls Haga Original, or Haga Green as I think he calls it, toxic waste. And so I just kind of had to get that one. So I did. Alright. Nice. I enjoy my boar knots, guys. We've got a lot of growth. Daughter told me it was time to shave, Daddy. I was like, alright, we're going to shave. Don't you worry. Daddy will get it done. I need a haircut as well. This bowl works rather well. I'm sure there's going to be soap down there because the ridges, just the way they are, you can't always get all the soap incorporated. But it burst into a quick foamy lather real quick. Trying to get all the soap out. 1 second. Trying to get all the soap out there was pushing a little harder, so I added a lot of bubbles into it. You can still see some of the bubbles in the lather. Just part of the way I bowl lathered, guys. So with the way things are going, guys, I gotta cut out on fructose and beer, at least through the summer months heavily. We're using the Feather Artist Club. Huh, thought it was better hydrated than that. The Feather Artist Club with the Schick Pro line. So a little disclaimer, everyone. I had mentioned the Schick P-20 was the same as the P-30. Because when I saw it listed, it said Artist Club style. But DK, my boy, mentioned in that video, I'll probably go pin that comment. I don't even think I got back to his comment. Because I haven't gotten to comments lately, guys, so for that I apologize. There we go. But they're Schick injector blades, not Artist Club. So for that, I apologize, people. I hope no one bought them thinking they were Artist Club on my account. And this is first use of this Artist Club, of this Schick P-30. Because the other one's still in my Hawk. I could have taken it out, but we didn't. We've probably got 5 days worth of growth. 4. That's why I decided to use this, really. Because I didn't want to deal with any razor clogging. All right, lather up time. Oh, still got a section. Being gentle. But the daughter said everything was looking rough. And she wasn't wrong. You know, your face is prickly, Daddy. Yeah, I know, sweetie. You need to shave. There we go. Didn't follow through on that stroke completely. So I'm the gray towel. As my daughter pointed out, when I grabbed my son's blue one, she goes, "That's Ollie's towel." I'm like, "I can't use Ollie's towel." She goes, "You have your own." I was like, "All right." My daughter, man, she's a hoot. Just whipping it together, make sure we got it all moisturized. Top didn't dry out in the bowl. There we go. It's nice and cooling, guys. Did I actually cut myself there? That's a bummer. Oh well. Like right here, I think I cut myself. It's nice. I enjoy Maddie soap. When it wasn't in puck form, man, I mean, when it was in puck form and not in a tub, it was used almost every day in some form or the other. When I shaved my head with a straight razor for the first time, it was with Maddie soap. Took a shower, washed my hair, did everything like that. Got done and then lathered my head with this puck of soap and went straight to straight razor shaving. Like, got out of the shower. I don't think I had a shirt on for the video. And pretty much sat there, continued to drink, and straight razor shave. Sorry, we're making sure we're getting under that nose. There we go. Feeling good, guys, honestly. Probably had a little wrinkle when I went to stretch, and that's why it's like that. But, oh well. Oh, hit something there. Super smooth feel though, light touch. Smooth. Like, that's just a good feeling machined blade, guys. And if you don't know, my left hand is my worst hand. squeegee, man. Like a squeegee. Oh yeah. Right there looks a little coarse still. Just try to pick up little areas. I think we're good. I know I got some nicks here and there, but honestly really felt like a good shave. You know the drill, we're gonna rinse up and I'll be right back. We're back, everyone. Beautifully smooth face, damn fine shave. Little rough right here because, you know, I don't go this way, period. But everything's feeling really good. You're gonna see in my shave of the day, I got some water on the label. Should dry out fine, you won't see it later, but we're gonna take the picture tonight and you're gonna see it. So, the thing I hate with this, Maol, other people that use it, I tightened this cap, and then when I tightened it, the lid, the top popped off. So, as y'all can see, 2 pieces. It's just like, what the A, man? So anyways, Maol Tangerine. I actually have this soap, so it's kind of a bummer I'm using the splash with this one, because I won't have a matching splash for Tangerine next time I, you know, there's a good chance I'm going to run out of Tangerine splash before I run out of Tangerine soap's my point. Ooh, Maol Grooming has a very nice, man, that is a great scent. It's like right up there with Maddie's. Like, I say Maddie's has one of the most original, like, fresh orange scent. Like, real orange is what it smells like. This smells like real tangerine, which is a little different than orange scent. I mean, I'm sure y'all have had both. You can tell they do have a different smell. Very fresh, very, not effervescent isn't the right word, but it's very nice. Enjoy it. I wish they'd bring this back out. Like, I wish you could still get it again. Guys, it took forever to clean all the soap up out of this bowl. And I probably won't use it for another shave again. I only used it because the daughter was like, hey, I like this one, you should use it. But this is, yeah. It's what we're gonna, we're probably not gonna use that again. I'm gonna have to put it up and pull another bowl out, or I'll accidentally use it again. We did use the Feather Artist Club. What is this? The SS stainless steel. Really nice one. Enjoy it. I'll find a link for one below. Guys, I'll probably just put the Razor Company one in there and not look for this colored handled one. Not a lot of people carry this one. I think I got mine on eBay way long time ago. And last but not least, Frank Stromberg Design, Maddie Lindholm Brush, Omega Knot. Guys, you know, I'm going to touch a little on this. I'm not a budget shaver, but I am definitely over getting like the latest products, chasing the latest notch, chasing the latest artisan brush maker, chasing the latest base, chasing the latest scent. I love all of these things. And eventually I'll get around to it if I can afford it. But guys, you know, you can get yourself a nice inexpensive razor that's CNC machined. You can get nice brush. Boars are some of the cheapest brushes out there, and I'm back to them. It's where I started, and now it's kind of where I'm sitting and resting and very happy with how a Boar knot works. So just remember, guys, you don't always have to have the best. You just have to have what you really enjoy. So thank you, everyone that has made it this far. Thank you for everyone that subscribes. If you enjoyed this video and made it this far, please hit the like button or thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all later. Thank you, and y'all have a good week.